Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how to fix the security light, which when the car is locked should illuminate to the left of the door ajar light, but often does not. And there's a simple fix for it, the culprit being the door switch. In my case it was a driver's door switch, but it could be any of the other three. You can pick up a handful of these off other Magnas at the wreckers, or knowing Mitsubishi off any other Mitsubishi model, probably all the same. What I found when I was fitting the replacements was that each of them would actually trigger the door ajar light, like so, but when I locked the car, the security light wasn't coming on. The fourth one that I tried actually worked, and I'll show you now. There we go. The light is now illuminated. In 30 seconds the car will be armed with the factory alarm system. So yeah, quick fix. Thanks for watching.